Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. Now, this session is all about the deadliest crime, the tax fraud crime provided by the Congress. Today, as of today, there is a Congress called as 117th Congress of United States of America. It is the deadliest, venomous, poisonous prostitution organization. And that is why they destroyed all the 27 amendments, and there are males and females, and all of them are deadliest, poisonous prostitutes. And they are the ones who created the Georgia shooting. Why? Because one of the amendments says it is healthy to sell guns, the rifles, to the households. And that directly traces to why it is Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II created the Georgia shooting. So, if at all USA wants to provide death penalty to the shooter who killed 8 humans, it should be Pope Francis that needs to be thrown in the volcano. Georgia should throw Pope Francis in volcano. Georgia should throw the prostitute Queen Elizabeth II in the volcano. Right? But that's not how it works. For how long this torture will be going on? If not today, the Georgia shooting, tomorrow there will be Alabama shooting. And the day after tomorrow, it will be Mississippi shooting. And then it will be Louisiana shooting. Then it will be Michigan shooting. Then it will be Missouri shooting. Then it will be Maryland shooting. And what is the patterns? All these are southern states. All these are deadliest Christian Republican states, fanatic Republican states. That's why they are very pious and very Christians, right? So that's why they removed the 10 Commandments in the Alabama. That's why they killed all African humans in the Selma Walk. It's never ended then, it's never ended now. It's never, if I'm not going to provide, if they are not going to sign the job offer to me, if I'm not going to get that job offer to discipline these people, it'll never end. It'll never end. It'll keep on going. And as if these bombs and these shootings are not enough in United States of America, there will be bomb in all the Islam nations. Hidden puzzles, hidden Moscow. This is how the Roman Empire king, they provide, they make freer for the population and say directly, back off. Do not ask any question to Pope Francis. Do not ask any question to Queen Elizabeth II. This is what will happen. And I already said, at the cost of death only, I'm providing civil justice, right? Ask my dear fellow mankind. What would you all have done? What would you all have done? I will quickly read through this. As of March 17th, 2021, USA is deadliest human endangerment, Islam, Judaism, Zionism, paganism, Babylon nation, and slavery of Vatican Queen Elizabeth II, and I am that I am, where the prayer pro se, born to free the USA from all evil forces. Ongoing civil justice sign off is very crucial. For I, where the prayer pro se, to sign off job offer now and free USA and all nations now without any delay. As clearly written in the Holy Bible, whatever in Holy Bible is happening now. So please celebrate Merry Christmas, Festival of True Love, and wisest only can celebrate Merry Christmas. As of March 17, 2021, crime proved that prostitutes, as in all, regardless of Republican or Democrat Congress, males or females lawmakers of USA in all 50 states of USA, provided deadliest tax fraud, classified as domestic violence of war crimes of slavery tax fraud, then hatred tax fraud and discrimination tax fraud, and also destroyed all 27 amendments of USA, and it is classified as deadliest zero tolerance war crime. I, where the prayer pro se, proved all GOP, I approved all GOP comes under the Congress only, so I just left it as is, okay? So congressmen and congresswomen of USA are slaves, immigrants to Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and they're prostituting with Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II. And that is why they destroyed the USA national operations, and they destroyed the justice operations with Satan's Antichrist, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, Satan's hell creators, created Vatican Code of Law handbook given to USA to destroy USA. And it is deadliest crime to destroy national operations. So Pope Francis the Satan must resign now, and I, where the prayer pro se, must be the Vatican leader now, as in Holy Bible guidelines only. USA must kneel down before 7.9 plus billions of humans, and USA should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans in next 1 second, and civil justice served according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. I, where the prayer pro se, proved the deadliest tax fraud crime of USA. So President Joe Biden should resign now. And I, where the prayer pro se, Native Indian tribe, Israelite Christian Jew tribe of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, must be interim leader of USA now, is civil justice served to I am that I am, born to save the world. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.